Blend morning, guys. Hey everyone, I'm Sumek Agarkar and welcome to Agak Media Academy. This is the fourth episode of the Blender Morning Show. Now, in the last episode, we had a great fun. We created a good cloth simulation animation, and in this video, we're going to look at some Wigly Jigly animation. It is going to be very quick and not as long as the previous one. And again, this is not a very detailed tutorial series. If you want to know and understand everything in detail, then I would suggest you to watch the entire channel, what we can call it as the tutorial series. Okay, so this is where what I've done is I've just increased the height of this cube, and what I'm going to do is either we need loop cuts, we need some what do we call it as some loop cuts or some vertices here in the middle. This is not going to make sense, so either you can use this loop cut or we can do Control R. If you just place it here, you'll see some yellow line here. If you just increase the mouse wheel, the size increases, and if you just scroll it down, so the number of loop cuts decrease. So we want more number of cuts. Maybe something like this should basically do. And once this is done, what we also need is we need a subdivision surface modifier on here to just make it look better. So we are going to keep it at 3. Okay, and before getting it done or applying it, what we are going to do is we are going to back to the edit mode, and here we are going to toggle the X-ray mode. Either you can use this one as X-ray mode toggle on or off, or you can use Alt Z as the shortcut. Okay, now what X-ray mode does is you can select the faces at the back also. If the X-ray mode is not on, you can just select the faces in the front, but with the X-ray mode on, you can select the back faces also. Okay, so I'll just try to give it some head like shape or a human figurine like shape. Not human exactly, but yeah, something like something that makes sense here. Okay, anyways, just moving around the vertices just so that we'll have some thing to work around with. Okay, something like this. Oh no, that's too much size. Yeah, something like this, or we can select all and just scale it in Z axis. Something like this should be more than enough. Okay, I'll just place it right around here. Okay, now once this is done, what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply it using the this modifier, subdivision surface modifier. And once we have applied, now it is a complete editable mesh, but I don't want to edit it. What we are going to do is we are going to for the first time play with the armature. So Shift A, or you can go from here and armature, or Shift A and armature. Okay, now once it is placed here, we'll go to the edit mode by tapping tab, or you can select the edit mode from here as well. Okay, now I'll just grab this portion right to something around let's say here, should be more than good, something like this. Then I'm going to extrude it till the neck portion, right, something like this, and I'm going to extrude it once again up till the head portion. Okay, so maybe I'll just want this one to be somewhere around here. Yeah, this looks nice, and I think this is basically done. Now what we are going to do is we are going to first of all make it this armature as the IK rig. Okay, right now this is FK rig, but we want IK rig. Again, if you want to understand what IK rig is, what FK rig is, I'll suggest you to watch the entire tutorial series on the Blender, so that you will understand what is going on. Okay, now we have to select all of these. Okay, and we'll just tab N right around here. In the tools panel, you'll have auto IK option, so you'll just click on that. Now if I select this one and if I grab this one, you can see that all of them are attached to each other, and we can pose them the way we want. Okay, cool. Now the pose is moving, but the object here is not moving. So what we are going to do is we are going to go back to object mode, select this one, and select the mesh, select the armature, and then select the armature. Come on, select the armature. Yeah, cool, something like this. And what we are going to do is we are going to click P, or I think Control P to set as parent. So with Control P set as parent, what we are going to do is with automatic weight is more than enough, like armature deform with automatic weights. Okay, now once that is done, I will give it some time for it to process, and once it is done, now we can go back to pose mode. And here when I select this one, you can have a look at this one, right? This is looking so nice, right? Yeah, again, we could have basically increased the number of these ones rigs as well. Okay, but anyways, what are we going to do is we are going to have some animations right around here. Okay, so just select the armature, let's go to the pose mode. Here we'll have some animations, animation keyframing that we are going to do. I'll just move myself a little bit upwards. Now let's say we want the animation, we want the frame rate to what is the frame rate right now? Right now the frame rate is 24 fps. Let's make it 25 fps because the video that we are shooting right now is at 50 fps, so maybe 25 would look better. But anyways, yeah, 24 is not good. And here as well, so we are ending at 10 seconds. I don't want 10-second animation, let's say 2 seconds animation. So 50 is what we will go for. Zoop, 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 zoop. Okay, no, 1 second only. Cool, something like this one. Let's start with one side. Okay, we'll move it to one side, something like this one. Okay, control, and we are selecting select all, so you can see all of them are selected. And to insert a keyframe, last time also we have seen to insert a keyframe, it is I. This time around we are going to give it a lock rod scale, location rotation scale. Okay, and not just location. Last time we did just the location, but now we want location, rotation and scale. Okay, anyways, we have inserted it right around here. I think at the middle of it, right? So 25 by 2 is something like 12, right around here. Okay, at 25 itself we want the same one. Okay, so insert once again. Okay, at something around 12, which is the half point, middle point, what we'll require is we'll require this one to be at the opposite side. So is there, yeah, paste flip side pose. We have to copy this one and paste flip side post. Okay, so something like this. Again, insert a keyframe right around here, location, rotation, scale. Okay, now if you play it, you can see this is a wiggly kind of an animation. Now what I want is, I don't want it to go this one, I want some kind of a lag with it. So to get around with the lag, when we are at 6, I would want this one to be something bendy like this one. Okay, at 6 I like it to be bendy like this. Okay, and we'll insert a keyframe right around here, lock rod scale, and 12 plus 6 is 18. At 18 as well, I'll want, okay, I'll just have to first of all copy the pose. Let's copy the post, Control C to copy. And at 18, what I'll have to do is paste flip side pose, so something like this one. Is it even working? No, it doesn't seem like it has worked. Anyways, yeah, select all, I for lock rod scale. Was it this one though? No, I don't think it was this one, right? Something like this one I had used. So I lock rod scale, select all, I lock rod scale, copy it. At 18 we have to paste it, paste flip side. Yeah, this one seems nice, correct. Again, I lock rod scale. Okay, let's play it. Yeah, this one is looking really nice. This one is looking really nice. Again, you can understand that I could have increased the number of these ones as well, number of bones as well, to make it even more better. Okay, let's save it first of all. What I'm going to name is Wigly Jigly. Wigly Jigly. Yeah, it doesn't make any sense, but anyways, it is looking nice, so I'm happy with what we have created. Okay, now what we have to do is, again, just the lighting portion is remaining. We'll just give it a shade smooth. We'll go to the shading panel, and right around here we'll have some shading done to this one. I think a base color of pinkish would look really nice. I want more roughness, less specular. Okay, we need a background as well for this one, so let's try go with the cube. and GZ1, and then we'll just make it cursor. Nope, this one as cursor. Yep, something like this should do. Scale Z, something like this should do. Okay, what we are going to do is we are just going to delete the first upward face. Okay, delete the face, something like this one. And as last time that we have done, the same thing we are going to do again. We're just going to select all these ones and give it a bezel thing. Okay, last time also we have done this exact same thing. Control B to bevel and increase a little bit, something like this should be done. Good. Okay, once this is done, we can just scale it in this direction, something like this. We can give it a shade smooth, and again a color. What would go good with pink? White. Should we keep it as white, or we can keep it something like a turquoise blue or something like that? Again, more roughness, less specular. Not zero specular, some specular I'll need, but yeah, something like this one should look nice. Now the lighting setup again, this light we are selecting, we are going to have a area lamp right around here. We'll just increase the size. We'll just make it bounding box. We'll just increase the size of this light. Okay, something like this one. Okay, now this as well we'll have to change. We'll go to view, camera view. If you just play it, yeah, we'll have to increase the size to around here. Is it in the center? We'll have to just manage it the way we can. We'll have to make it something like it is in the center. Okay, once this is done, we'll have to manage the lighting as well. So light, let's go to rendered mode. Light, this one is looking kind of cool, not that great, but yeah. What I'll do is I'll just place it around here. Okay, where is the camera? Yeah, the camera is right around here. So what I'll do is I'll just place it right like this. Decrease the size and increase the power. So something like 10,000 should do. Yeah, something like that, but from bottom side. Yes, something like this should be good. Or we can make this as a point lamp as well, just so that it works nicely. Yes, we just want some Fresnel like thing right around here. So maybe we'll have to increase the shading as well, or the specular as well, and decrease the roughness a little bit as well. Okay, good. Yes, this is looking nice to me right now. We need one more lamp. I'll just duplicate it, Shift D to be here, and we'll create an area lamp out of it. We'll just rotate it towards the thing, but from the another side. Okay, from here. Okay, we can keep it this way. Let's go to 0. And we'll have to adjust the camera a little bit. I think this is not touching the ground exactly, so we'll just make it touch the ground, something like this. Yes, and this is looking really nice, and I'm happy with what we have done right now. Okay, cool. So again, I'll have to just save it. And yes, last time I did not show you one thing. So if you place your cursor right around here and do control spacebar, then it becomes to full screen size. This is basically how I manage it. And control alt alt is something like this one. Okay, if you don't go to zero panel and just place it right around here, scale in Z. Yeah, and just last things are remaining, I think, hopefully. Scale Z, something like this. And yes, something like this should do the job. Yeah, so this is a cool little animation that we have tried in Blender. And thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you liked the video, and I hope you learned a few things from this video as well. So thank you so much, and see you guys in the next tutorials. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't yet subscribed to the YouTube channel, please do subscribe. See you guys. If you have any comments or any queries, you can just comment down in the section below. See you guys in the next tutorial. Till then, keep smiling and keep... Yeah, wait. I'll just show you one thing more. Okay, if you are here, okay, and if I just turn on this one, turn off this one, and if I go here, now this is looking great, right? This is what we wanted. So thank you so much guys. I hope you learned a lot many things from this video. If you have any comments or suggestions, please comment down in the comment section below. See you guys in the next video. Till then, keep smiling and keep learning. Bye bye.